Want to check how well a business is performing online? Let's break it down step by step. This is how you do a complete digital audit in under 5 minutes. Start by opening gtmetrics.com. Enter the website URL and click Test Your Site. Once the report loads, pay attention to 5 key metrics. First, the performance score. This gives you an overall sense of how fast and healthy the site is. A score above 80% is considered good. Next is the structure score, based on Google's Lighthouse data. It tells you how well the site is technically built for speed and user experience. Then there's LCP, or largest contentful paint. This is how long it takes the biggest thing on the page, like a banner or heading, to show up. For a good user experience, it should be under 1.2 seconds. TBT, or total blocking time, shows how long JavaScript delays the page from loading. Anything under 150 milliseconds is ideal. Finally, CLS, or cumulative layout shift. This measures how much the layout jumps around while loading. A stable page should have a CLS under 0.1. Take a screenshot of the full GT metrics report. We'll need it in the audit file. Now let's check the domain authority and page authority of website. Go to Google and type DAPA checker. Click on the link from websiteseochecker.com. Paste the same website link and hit search. DA, or domain authority, predicts how likely the entire domain is to rank well on Google. PA, or page authority, does the same, but for just that one page. Both scores range from 0 to 100. The higher, the better. Next, check traffic. Search Website Traffic Checker on Google and open the link from hrefs.com. Paste the website again, and you'll see monthly visits, top countries, and traffic sources. Screenshot this too. Now, let's move on to Google My Business, also called Google Business Profile. Search the business name along with the city. If a business panel appears on the right with a map, reviews, phone number, and photos, that means a Google Business Profile exists. Check if it looks active. Are the business hours updated? Are there reviews? Are new photos being posted? If yes, it's active. If not, mark it inactive. Take a screenshot of this panel too. Next, visit the company's social media profiles: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Go to the company's Instagram page. First, note the number of followers. Second, check if they're posting regularly. Look for reels, stories, or carousel posts. If they haven't posted in the last 45 days, mark it as inactive. Take a screenshot. That's your record. Visit the company's Facebook page. Check the total number of followers or page likes. See if the posts are recent. If nothing the last 45 days, means inactive. Take a screenshot for your record. Open the company's LinkedIn profile. Note the number of followers. Check their recent posts. If there's nothing new in the last 45 days, mark it as inactive. Screenshot the profile for your record. Go to the company's Twitter X account. Note the number of followers. Look for recent tweets. If nothing is posted in the last 45 days, it's inactive. Take a screenshot for your record. Visit the company's YouTube channel. Check the number of subscribers. Go to the About section and see the total video views. Also check when they last uploaded a video. If it's more than 45 days ago, mark as inactive. Take a screenshot of the profile and About section for your record. Now, pull all of this together: GT metrics report, DA and PA scores, traffic data, Google Business Profile status, and social media presence. That's your digital audit. Clean, simple, and powerful. Whether you're a student, marketer, or agency, this process shows exactly where a business stands online and what needs fixing.